Hi, I'm Chef Erin Roth, and today I want to show you how to properly zest and juice a lemon. And I'm doing this because I see it done incorrectly so many times. So the first thing you want to make sure is you get a lemon. I go ahead and cut the tips off and I roll it. Just roll it real good. Just roll it to kind of even out everything. Then I like this zester because I use it to zest lemons, oranges, and limes, as well as my nutmeg cloves. So the big thing you don't want to do is this. Do not seesaw. Seesawing pulls up more pith, which is a white thing, than you want, and pith is bitter. So all you want to do is turn with one hand and use the other, and it's like this. And so what I like to do is go down the center, or go down like this, and then do it in sections. Just turn. Both are turning at the same time. You want an even but yet firm pressure, and you just want to keep it moving. You don't want to zest in the same place more than once. As you can see, I'm turning. Again, we don't do this. That is not good. And then I want to show you what it looks like. See, you still see some yellow, and that's fine. Then you just want to go ahead and get the rest. And you zest a lemon before you cut it and before you juice it. It is hard to zest a lemon once you cut it. It's nearly impossible. Then you cut it in half. And then you do a cross section in it. I do that for both halves. And I do this because for this juicer, all you do is put it in upside down. People do it this way. No, you want to do it this way because that's why you have the ridges. You do it like that. Then you put it over whatever receptacle, and you see you get so much more juice out of it. And the seeds stay in. Then you want to squeeze it one more time. Then you discard it. Get the other one. Put it in. Juice. See? So much simpler. So again, I just provided you tips on how to juice and properly zest the lemon. Thank you, and stay tuned for more videos.